crap, it blew a fuse. Alright. There. Oh, crap. Hold on and... finally the lights work.
Where am I? I can't get out.
Here.
What? Oh, what's this?
Hello. I want to play a game.
Oh, okay. Okay, hang on. Okay, well, you want to play a game? Okay. Okay.
There's gonna be a game about, like, well, something. Well...
Wait, I know what this is. This is a jigsaw trap. I know. Wait.
Well, Jigsaw isn't really here right now.
He isn't? Where is he?
He went to go see Saw 3D.
Oh, okay. Well, tell him to tell me if it was good, because I didn't see it yet. I want to see it.
Oh, okay. And he was supposed to leave me a note, but about what the game was, but I guess, he didn't.
Huh.
So, but he told me, so.
What did he tell you?
There is a key somewhere around here, and, I don't know where the key is. But if you can't find it in one minute, then you will die.
Okay, I'll find it. Hang on. Give me a hint. Where is it?
Well, I can't give you any hints. I'm not supposed to.
Oh, okay,
But you can't look yet. I don't have the timer.
Okay, is it in this room?
Well, I don't know where it is.
Alright.
Alright.
Where's the key?
It is starting in 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
The timer has started.
Oh, okay, I'll find the key. Where's the key? Where's the key?
Crap, these dumb lights!
Good. I gotta find the key. Gotta find the key. Where's the key? Ow.
It's been 22 seconds.
I can't find the key. I can't find the key. Oh. Never gonna run out yet.
33 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your time has run out. It is time for you to get out of here.
That's it?
Well, I didn't really mean you were gonna die.
Oh. Okay. Was this door open the whole time?
Oh, I forgot to close that.
Wow. Well, okay.
Oh, darn it! Hey, where'd he go? Hello? How did I get here? I was at home watching TV. SpongeBob. And now I'm here. Oh. What is this?
Hello. I want to play a game.
Where did that come from?
It came from the tape recorder.
Oh.
Now,
Wait, this is a tape recorder. You're recording things, so how do you know what I'm going to say?
I just know.
Oh, okay.
I'm good like that.
Alright. So what kind of game?
I am going... Well, what kind of game? I don't know what kind of game it is, but I'm going to tell you the rules of the game.
There's a rule?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
You have to find a key. And this key will get you out of here, I guess.
How am I supposed to find a key if I'm strapped to a chair?
I don't know. Well, I guess Wait, I never strapped
Then
you.
why am I strapped to a chair?
Wait, I never strapped you to a chair.
Oh, okay.
Now, you must find this key within 2 minutes.
2 minutes? What happens after the time runs out?
You will die.
What, really?
No, you'll be fine.
Oh, okay.
Now, on the floor before you are pieces of paper that
Oh, I see it.
could be put together to create something to tell you where this key lies.
Oh man, I hate jigsaw puzzles. Jigsaw puzzles.
Yes, anyways, you must put these papers together to find out the clue telling you where this key is.
Alright.
The
That sounds good.
The time is ticking.
Oh,
Tick,
okay, so I have to go
tock.
like right now?
Tick,
Right now?
tock.
Right. I still hate jigsaw puzzles. Will you stop with that? You're annoying. Oh, well, I meant I don't like, Jigsaw, but anyway, I figured it out. Key here. Oh, okay. So where does this key go?
I don't know. I didn't really get that far.
So now I'm gonna die?
I don't know. I just got back from a movie and I just kind of whipped this stuff together.
Oh, okay. So that explains why it's on paper.
Yeah, kind of. But the movie was good.
Oh yeah, I wanted to know how that was.
You don't even you don't even know what movie I saw. So how do you know? You don't even know what movie.
Well, that person that took over.
I saw 3D.
Oh yeah, Saw 3D. Oh yeah, a good movie.
Yeah, I didn't do too bad myself. Well, you can leave now.
Really?
Yeah, I was just bored. I just did this.
Can I keep the key?
Sure, I don't even know what it goes to.
All right.
So,
I'm gonna shut you off now.
Oh, okay. Hey, I'm still on.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, that's the key to my house. Hang on. Wait. Oh, man. Now I don't even know how to get another key. Oh, well.